Tatlong dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo nang magsimula ng negosyo ngayon. Una, maraming negosyo ang pwedeng simulan na kahit part-time or with minimum capital. Kung madiskarte ka, you can even start with no capital. We live in a generation where opportunities are everywhere. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. Ikalawa, kahit gaano ka kagaling na empleyado, our employers can easily replace us. Isang pagkakamali, burado lahat ang good performance and contribution mo sa company. Isang inggit ng boss mo, pwede kang matanggal sa trabaho. Kaya having another source of income is a wise thing to do. At ikatatlo, hindi tayo habang buhay magtatrabaho. And most people wanted to retire early. Kaya ang pagsisimula ng negosyo is the best option. Hindi siya madali. It will consume some of your free time, but the result is much better if you persist and continue.